Hi everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. I am so excited to launch my new channel where I'll be sharing my family favorite recipes with you all. I like to kickstart my channel with one of my favorite desserts. It's my strawberry cheesecake mousse cups with a strawberry topping. It's a perfect summer dessert and so simple to make. So let me show you how to make it. We're going to start off by making the topping. Take 1 cup of fresh strawberries and chop them up into small pieces and add them into a bowl. Stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice into the chopped strawberries. Once well combined, cover and place this in the fridge. Meanwhile, let's work on the crust. Take 4 graham crackers and add them into a Ziploc bag. And by using a meat tenderizer or a rolling pin, crush the crackers into crumbs. You can also crush the crackers in a food processor if you like. Transfer the crumbs into a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix till well combined. Evenly divide the crumbs into each of the dessert cups. Press the crumbs into the bottom of the dessert cups. I'm using a tart tamper, but you can also use the end of a rolling pin. Refrigerate the cups while we make the mousse. First, start by pureeing the strawberries. Take about 12 ounces of strawberries and add them into the food processor. You can also use a blender. Once the strawberries are pureed, strain the puree to get a smooth cheesecake mousse. When the strawberry puree is strained, you should get about 1 cup of puree. Set the strawberry puree to the side. In a mixing bowl, add the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and using a hand mixer, beat till creamy and smooth. In a low speed, slowly add 1 cup of heavy cream and beat till soft peaks. Make sure to scrape down the bowl in between. Gradually add in the powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and beat till well combined. Now, switch to a spatula and fold in the strawberry puree. When the mixture is well incorporated, I like to transfer the mousse into a Pyrex cup for an easier pour into the dessert cups. You can also spoon the mousse into the dessert cups. Evenly add the mousse into the dessert cups. Refrigerate the mousse for at least 2 to 3 hours to chill. When ready to serve, top the mousse with the strawberry topping. This mousse is so creamy and has rich strawberry flavor. If y'all enjoyed watching this recipe video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also see my recipes as I post them on my website. I'll be leaving the link to my website down below, and stay tuned for new recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!